Alright, this is the Norwegian Star. Yay! Alright, about to go through customs, so I gotta turn it off. So we're on the Norwegian Star going through the gangway. Unfortunately, this one's not going to be a guided tour. And they said that we're not going to be able to see the rooms, but we'll see. Okay guys, so we're about to go get checked in. Got high security over here.
Yeah.
Are budget friendly. This is what you would be getting, people. Okay, go on out, back out. And that is 11, okay. Oh, and this is another way that they do it. You guys are a couple, but it still has the Pullman. So there's seat, okay. Yeah. All right. Oh, and this is a different way too. So I have a couple ways for you guys to see. We have climate control here.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So finally get to turn around. Oh, you guys are waiting. So we're pretty much trying to get to the suite, even though they said we weren't going to.
Look, they got a little sitting room right here.
Where?
One bigger? Well, then they don't have a sitting room.
I think they all did.
Oh, they all did.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because yeah.
So it's a little dark, can't see me, but
From what the
we're
pictures
going
of the
towards the suites right now. At least we know what the levels would be. So this is a suite, and oh wait, how many bedrooms? Is this a different bedroom?
Yeah. Right?
Okay, so here's a room,
Oh, you gotta go look at this room.
and here's a Pullman
Oh my gosh.
on this side.
Oh, is this a connecting room to this suite?
No, this is an extra bedroom right here.
Okay, so they have family suites, two-room suites.
And then this is the bathroom with the frosted glass. That's cute.
Oh my goodness. That's amazing.
And then you have all the dressers and stuff. And so now we're going into the main area. Ooh, nice. Wow. Let's see. So this is a suite. Oh, look how nice their little suites are with their little beds. Oh, I don't know how to unlock it. Okay, open, lift, and pull. Yeah, it's not working for me. It's definitely got a.
Everyone, this is Erica again. We're here.
Oh, there we go.
And I'm just going to share with you guys really quick. We're in a suite.
That says, it says open. Huh. I don't know. Do I push this? Oh, that's for the light. Anyway, you guys, I can't figure it out. It says, should look easy, but anyway, that is it. And this is 360. They have a little couch and a little TV. OMG, are you kidding me right now? Wow.
Well, they got the doors. You can make your room private over here, and the kids got their room in the back.
Right. Oh, look at this bathroom. Yeah, that's the first one I went to. This bathroom is dope. Now this looks like a hotel. And you got the bath that has the window and the TV. Oh, and a shower. And a bath. That's the bathroom. Why can't I seem to open? Okay, there we go. I can't seem to function. Oh, you push in. Look at that. This is nice. Okay, let's go. They could leave you guys a nice little VIP party invitation with some water and some, what is that, Brut?
Yeah.
Some champagne. All right, let's go. Okay, this is kind of dark in this room, but this is another one.
This is similar.
Well, this is the
But it's a
emerald
little bit
suite.
different. It's a little bit different.
Yeah.
A little bit different.
This is the emerald suite, so it's just like the one that we saw down there.
No, because the bedroom looks a little bit different.
Does it?
Yeah,
Could it be just the way it's set up?
it could be. Because the other one had, oh, is that what the bed looks like? Unpulled out? Okay.
It's just the way it's sitting.
The Jade suite. Oh, two sides. Now that's
So
You can
jade.
get the adjoining room.
yeah.
So, basically the same. Except, oh yeah, that one is a little different.
You have to have a key.
Key lock the door. 6.
Yeah. Feeling a little better about this whole cruise thing?
Getting hungry now.
Yeah.
Okay, but see, this is the thing. Watch.
What is this?
After
Oh,
he's
okay.
seen this. Nate.
Okay, so this is a picture window. It's not bad. But this one still has a little bed Pullman.
Just look and see. Tell me, I mean, for real.
You gotta see it all, man.
You?
All right. So the bathrooms are definitely. You know what I noticed though? Where would you put all your stuff? They got a lot of storage. Shit. Little fumble there. This is in the 600. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell everybody you know. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes. Check me out on Instagram at Vakaday. That's Vakaday.